Hello people, today we will look about how to write perfect SEO content. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it, let's go. SEO refers to search engine optimization or the process of optimizing a website so that people can easily find it via search engines like Google. By content, we mean any information that lives on the web and can be consumed on the web. The role of good content writer is to submit a regular article to the team. Do not copy paste from any site. Have a look, get an idea, but write your own words. Your team needs the best article on the topic that covers the entire scenario required. Always think of yourself as a user. Then think about the problem. Write them in a paper. Do some research and then start writing. Level 1. Check the article already exists. Always check the article already at the site or not. If yes, please inform by the exact URL to the team. 2 methods to check. First, by Google search, type the name of the site. For example, gossipfunda.com and then the keywords you have to search. On YouTube. Use this syntax to search. Second, use the search option on the site itself. For example, on gossipfunda.com, you will find an option of search in the right corner. Level 2. What is a keyword? First, you need to understand what is a keyword. In short, keyword is nothing but that search term which you type to search on Google. Level 3. Start writing. Always think about the problem as a user. Write all the things in a paper, do some research, read your competitor blog or top search result blog. Also, note down their headings, then start writing. If you got a task by your team like this, task, how to earn from YouTube. This is the main keyword. So, it needs to be used as it is, at every 300 to 400 words. There is a minimum 1 keyword required and max 2. So, for 1700 words article, minimum 5 and maximum 10 keywords required for good SEO. 3 positions are predefined. Put in the first paragraph, in a heading, in a conclusion. Level 4. Own experiments. When you are assured that your content has enough data, then do your own experiments on your phone and laptop. Take screenshots and add the site logo to the left or right corner. Rename the images to the relevant topic. Always compress the images. Level 5. Grammar check. You need to check the grammatical error whether you are a master in your writings. Sometimes we forget to a full stop. And then check for readability. This is one of the essential parts of content writing. For better readability, use transition words. For example, In the Grammarly, you can find in the bottom the readability option and your score. And on the right side, you will find the options for you to correct and to fix readability. Level 6. Plagiarism. You need to check plagiarism and we prefer Q-text. At every login, it provides 2000 words for free. So use this first. And if you have a budget, then purchase Pro. Never copy or write any line from any site. Read from anywhere but write in your own sentences. If the matching sentences are more than 65%, then immediately edit them in your own words. Label 7. Copyright free image. Not only plagiarism found in your article but also in your image. So, every blog requires copyright free images. Never copy paste, download Google Images. Send all images in a compressed folder to the team. Always rename the image's name to relevant content. Also, add them to your content. Label 8. Best format. Write in a very simple MS Word format with Times New Roman font or Arial font because they are fast loading fonts with font size. Heading should be in 16, subheadings in 14 and content in 12. Bold important words, no extra spaces. Follow the punctuation guideline of US English Grammar. Label 9. Check any good site. Check your site once how the content writers have written. Example, what phone do I have? Label 10. Duplicate sentences. Remember, do not repeat the same sentences. Paragraph in the same as well as do not use in other new articles too. It is known as duplicate sentence and not suitable for SEO. That's it, guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.